so big his feet touched the bottom. His first few baths, his feet just hung off the edge.
Okay. Oh, that face. Here we go. We're gonna guess your head. Whoa. Wow. He's just chilling.
He just stared at his daddy.
Whoa. Good boy. Yeah. Whoa. Kiddo.
Pushed his legs off the
Yeah.
edge.
Crazy kid.
Kicking legs.
Wow.
He was just screaming a few minutes ago. And now he's calm and enjoying his little spa treatment.
Oh.